Everybody, it's me, your girl, Lady Carrie Lee. Yes, I know you haven't seen my beautiful face in a little bit, a couple days, unless you're rewatching my videos. Yeah, I know you miss me. What the hell was that? It was caught on my arm. Oh my gosh, it was a piece of my. It's my hair, guys. It's my hair. Anyways. Welcome to all my newbies out there. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Yes, and the ones that are still subscribed. Yes, guys. Yes, we are all a big family. So I would like to say thank you again. Comment down below. Show me some love. Give me some heart eyes, and tell your peoples about me, Lady Carrie Lee. So today I'm back with another video, guys. I'm going to be making a meal. Not a meal, but like maybe a little side dish. A side of a butternut squash. So tune in so you can see what I'm gonna do. Hey everybody, it's Lady Carrie Lee, your girl. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Share away, tell your peoples about me, and turn on your post notifications bell on right now. Hey guys, so like I was saying about this butternut squash, what I'm gonna be doing, and the reason why I am making something with the butternut squash is because the first time in my life, let me tell you guys, I tried Walmart pickup, okay? So they canceled my order the first time. I was like, oh hell no, I was tight. So the next day I decided to order again because I was on that site looking to see if they had time slots or whatever, delivery, pickup. It did not matter because I wanted my groceries in the crib because I was not gonna go to Walmart and catch whatever. I'm not putting myself at risk. I'm not putting my kids at risk. So I was not doing that. So I wanted to try it. Went cool. I was picking out the stuff. I was like, this is pretty cool, but I like seeing things in person. I'm a more visual person. Like I want to see it. I want to touch it. So I couldn't really touch the stuff except on my phone. So I wanted one butternut squash, guys. Just one, So I put one in the quantity. Why, when my man comes home, I'm like, what is this? What is all these butternut squashes? Look, I'm not telling. I gave some to my family. Like I got all these butternut squashes here. I just wanted one. I just wanted one butternut squash, guys. I'm telling you, like, what? I just wanted one butternut squash. I just wanted one, and I got all these butternut squashes. I'm telling you, like, why? So I'm like, what am I gonna do? Like, I was just gonna make like a parade for the kids, like make it all nice, freeze it with one, just one. That's all I needed. I needed just one, okay? Not 10 or whatever I got butternut squashes. Mind you, I gave some to my family already. So I'm like, okay, let me start looking up about recipes about butternut squash. And I was like, I like cinnamon. And I like, sweet potato when I make cinnamon roasted, whatever, in the oven. I say oven, guys. I'm always say oven. That's how I grew up. Oven instead of oven. That's how I grew up. Everyone makes fun of me. Whatever. It's oven. I'm going to make cinnamon roasted butternut squash today. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You're just going to peel this baby up. Bam, bam, peel it. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of vinegar, olive oil, okay? 2 tablespoons, this little thing right here. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, not white sugar, brown sugar, not dark, brown sugar. All right, guys? You're going to need 1 teaspoon, this little baby, of salt, okay? 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to need a half a teaspoon, so half teaspoon of grounded black pepper, okay? And you're gonna need a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, okay? All those ingredients to make your lovely roasted butternut squash. All right, guys? So I'm gonna start peeling this shit right now. Let's get it. Mind you, I guys already washed my hands, so I already washed my hands. If you hear my kid in the back, I'm telling you guys, like always in my videos, I'm a mother, okay? So you're gonna need a peeler. You're gonna peel all this skin off so it's nice and smooth. I will show you the end results soon. Just need to peel this shit. I need to focus, guys, so I'm gonna start peeling. All right, so the butternut squash is peeled. I didn't peel this bottom part nor the top. Guys, you can't see it because I'm cutting this part off. So I got my 2 knives and the cutting board to see which knife will do to cut this butternut squash. All right, guys, so let's see. I'm just gonna pick the sharpest knife, y'all, like. All right, never do this at home. Always walk with your knives like this. My mom used to tell me, walk like this with a nice Lee. Do you guys like my space buns? Yeah, all right. Anyways, let me get back into this. I'm getting so distracted. All right. Okay. And ooh, that looks so orangey. Look at that. It looks like an orange, y'all. All right. I'm not keeping this part, so if you guys want, you guys can keep the skin on there, but you're gonna have to roast it more in the oven. Oh my gosh, the bottom part is hard, guys. Oh, okay, I got it. Oh. All right, these seeds, you can gut them, guys, and you can bake them inside the oven at 325 for maybe like 20 minutes, and then you have your own seeds. So, okay, so what the next step is, I'm gonna slice this in half. So I already cut off the top. Now I'm gonna slice it in half, and then I will do the same with another butternut squash so I can have a good quantity of cinnamon roasted butternut squash, guys. So here I go. I'm gonna chop this baby up so I can gut the inside. Sounds weird, right? Oh my gosh, this is really hard. All right, so I cut the butternut squash, yes, in half. It smells so squashy. Look at all my butternut squashes, guys. I'm not cutting all of them. To make this. So only 2 will be sacrificed. Now, you see this stuff, you're just gonna gut it out, guys. So I'm gonna gut this out with a spoon or whatever you guys have. Just gut things out. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do to make it look clean. Bam, gutted it out. All right, the next step, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut these babies up 1 inch into cubes or however. If you don't know how to cut, just cut them up. Okay? We're gonna get into that now. Don't ever play with knives. Not a good influence with this knife shit. All right, just cut it up like I said. We're gonna do that into however 1 inch, sure. Just cut them up, guys. Just cut them up. All right, I'm cutting, and please be careful when you're cutting with these knives, man, because I'm always very, very klutzy in the kitchen. I'm always burning myself, cutting myself. Something is always happening. And like my man, what am I doing? I'm waving this knife. This is a bad influence. Put it on the side, next to my leg, like this. I'm always cutting myself, guys. So like my man says, you're not cooking if you're not doing something wrong to yourself. He always says that to me. So I'm gonna start cutting these up, guys. So why I am cutting these babies up right now, guys, look. Why I'm cutting these up, look, they're not perfect, okay? They're whatever shape they are because I'm gonna eat them regardless, okay? This is not Master Chef. This is Lady Carrie Lee's kitchen. Small kitchen. So I'm preheating the oven at 425, and that's the temperature you're gonna set it at, okay? All right, next step, since I chopped and diced my butternut squash, you're gonna use a bowl. Pour all the butternut squash. I am so sorry if you hear my son in the back. That's just mom life. That's just mom life, okay? So you're gonna put all the butternut squash inside the bowl. Look at that Cheeto looking color. Yeah, okay. Like I said, you're gonna start putting the ingredients, what I said. So 2 tablespoons of the vinegar olive oil. Let's do that. 1, 2, all right, because we can count. Yes. You're gonna use 2 tablespoons, like I said, guys. I have to be repetitive because people be like, what? What did she say before? 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, okay? Brown sugar, yes, okay. You're gonna use 1 teaspoon of salt. You're gonna use half a teaspoon of the black grounded pepper, like I said. So half of this, not the full. You guys don't have to put it, it's optional, but you can. Then you're gonna use the cinnamon, half a teaspoon of the cinnamon as well. My gosh. Okay, spread that baby all over. And if you are a cinnamon lover, do what you do. Don't overdose on cinnamon. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna stir it, and stir it. So everything is coated evenly on here. And then we're gonna put it in the pan, guys. So we're stirring this right now. All right, next step. See how it's caramelized and all the goodness that I told you guys to put in. Now you can either use non-sticking spray in your pan or aluminum foil. I decided to use aluminum foil because I don't have non-stick spray right now. So, next step, you're gonna pour it inside the pan. I'm gonna show you guys the results now. So got all this good. Doesn't this look so bomb right now, guys? So I'm going to put it inside the oven at 425. I'm gonna put it for 20 minutes, and if you want it a little bit more roasted, you can do so. So let's put this baby in the oven right now. All right, guys, it is in. Now it's time to set the timer because I'm very forgetful sometimes. We're gonna put it at 20. Let's put it at 21 just because I'm weird. Let this baby cook, and you can, in the process, stir away. Guys, and the countdown begins now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, it is beeping. Let's check these babies out. Ooh, that shit is hot. Ooh, look at that. My phone steamed up and everything. Whoa, whoa. Let's see, guys. I took these babies out. I think I'm gonna make them a little bit more roasted for my liking because I like things a little bit more crispier. So I'm gonna do so. I'm gonna probably put these in for maybe like 10-15 more minutes. All right, guys, so I did take it out of the oven finally, and this is the final result. It looks so bomb right now. You can eat this with a side of chicken or whatever you like. And like I said, I put it in for another 15 minutes, and it's nice and soft just the way I like it. So cinnamon roasted butternut squash, bam. All right, guys, so I'm eating my masterpiece, like I said. Tastes so good. I'm gonna give the boys some. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some in a few to them because I know they're gonna love it. I'm always eating like my videos. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and being part of my channel on how to make cinnamon roasted butternut squash with Lady Carrie Lee. Bye, guys.